Here is unit 412. This is our 2B.2 floor plan. Right as you enter the front door, to your right here is full-size washer and dryer. You've got the shelf above for storage. And then here is our kitchen. Plenty of cupboard space here, nice size island, room for a couple bar stools. More storage here on the island. Very spacious living room here. We are north facing on this one, so we have a good view of downtown and the skyline. Over here to the right, we do have a coat closet. And then this is going to be the master bedroom. So great size, plenty of room for a king size bed and then some. Into your master bathroom here with the dual sinks. Got your large walk-in closet, glass shower, built-in linen shelves. And then over here on the other side is going to be guest bedroom and bathroom. So our guest bathroom here, this one's gonna have the oversized tub. You've got those built-in shelves again. And then our guest bedroom over here. So nice and spacious again, large walk-in closet in any bedroom. And then we'll take a look out here. Again, we're north facing, good view of downtown, convention center. You can also take a look to the west, get a nice mountain view. And then the balcony here. Plenty of space for a couple chairs, table. That door is your hot water heater. Again, a great view from this unit. And if we look to the far right, you can see the state capitol. So again, we are in unit 412 here at TriVista, and this is the 2B.2.